Hello everyone. Meet again on the channel that discusses old cars for sale on the marketplace. Here are 15 cars that might just be your dream. Enjoy.
Number 1.
1960 Ford Chevy Bel Air 2-door. Price $5,000. Here's your chance to own a classic 1960 Ford Chevy Bel Air 2-door, priced at $5,000. This beauty is similar to the Impala and features a solid 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Despite being offered with a salvage title for reasons unknown, this car starts up and sounds strong. This Bel Air is a fantastic project for enthusiasts looking to restore a classic to its former glory. It requires some work to get it road ready, including addressing minor rust in common areas estimated at around $300 to get it up to date. With the title in hand and no trades or offers accepted, this is a firm $5,000 cash deal. It's a great opportunity for those who appreciate classic American cars and are ready for a rewarding restoration project.
Number 2.
1973 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S 450 sedan. Price $3,900. Own a classic luxury sedan with this 1973 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S 450 with 149,555 miles. This iconic car combines vintage elegance with modern reliability. It is equipped with a powerful 4.5-liter V8 engine that produces 225 horsepower, and this is a pre-smog vehicle, so you don't have to worry about a smog check. The car was recently upgraded with new matte black exterior paint that looks sharp and is rust-free. The blue interior is in great condition, enhancing the car's classic appeal. The Mercedes runs and drives smoothly with a new spare tire and approximately 40% tread remaining on the other tires. It also offers a new battery and a new stock exhaust system. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel injection system, rebuilt distributor, new transmission service, and replacement of various components such as spark plugs, air filter, belts, and hoses. This vehicle has been meticulously maintained, ensuring it remains reliable and fun to drive. The 1973 S-Class is known for its exceptional build quality, and this car still has a long life if maintained properly. This car is equipped with original 14-inch rims and good tires. Don't miss the opportunity to own this classic car with style and substance.
Number 3.
1963 MG MGB. Price $1,500. Experience a slice of automotive history with this charming 1963 MG MGB. Priced at just $1,500, this classic coupe offers incredible value for enthusiasts and collectors alike. With only 55,463 miles on the odometer, this MGB is in decent condition and ready to bring joy to its next owner. It features a fresh tune-up and a brand new top, ensuring a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. The off-white exterior gives this MGB a timeless, elegant look. Whether you're cruising through town or taking it on weekend adventures, this classic car is sure to turn heads and spark conversations. Ideal for those who appreciate vintage style and the thrill of driving a classic, this MGB runs and drives well. It's a fantastic opportunity for a project car or simply a delightful ride for enjoying the open road.
Number 4.
1978 Chevrolet Camaro. Price $5,000. With only 92,000 miles, this classic Camaro delivers a perfect blend of vintage charm and dependable performance. It features a striking gold exterior and a tan interior. Under the hood, you'll find a reliable 250 iron Duke 6-cylinder engine, well maintained and ready to go. This Camaro is known for its great fuel economy and smooth driving experience. Inside, you'll appreciate the classic 8-track radio paired with a modern Bluetooth stereo. Everything works perfectly, including the lights, horn, heater, and rear defroster. With new tires and minimal rust, this Camaro is in fantastic shape and ready for its next adventure. Interested in making this classic beauty yours? Drop a comment or contact us for more details. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more amazing car finds.
Number 5.
1978 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe D. Price, $4,500. Located in Portland, OR. This iconic car is perfect for enthusiasts looking for a project or a unique addition to their collection. With 100,000 miles on the clock, this Camaro features a striking orange exterior and a sleek black interior. It has been a reliable ride, with no significant damage or issues reported. Although it has been parked for about a year, it used to drive and brake smoothly before it was put away. The car is being sold as is, providing you with a fantastic opportunity to restore or modify it to your liking. While we don't have extensive details about its history, it's priced to sell, and we're open to trade offers. Don't miss the opportunity to own a classic Camaro. Come see it for yourself and make it yours. More details, check the description. Act fast, this deal won't last long. Like, share, and follow for more great classic car deals.
Number 6.
1976 Chevrolet El Camino Classic. Price, $6,500. With only 70,000 miles, this 1976 Chevrolet El Camino, a classic ride with a lot of character. It sports a vibrant red exterior and matching red interior. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful built 350 engine with a cam, high-rise intake, and headers. This El Camino runs great and shifts smoothly, offering a thrilling driving experience. Inside, enjoy the comfort of swivel seats and a nice sound system. While it could use a few tweaks such as some headlight work, a heater core replacement, and tail light repairs, the truck equipped with brand new front tires and rear tires in good condition. Air shocks in the back add to the drive quality. This El Camino has had owners and is ready for its next adventure. If you're interested, make an offer or contact us for more details.
Number 7.
1961 Cadillac 4-door. Price, $8,000. Grab a classic American icon with this 1961 Cadillac 4-door, available for $8,000. With just 65,000 miles on the clock, this vintage beauty combines timeless elegance with reliable performance. Featuring the original V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and the original transmission, this Cadillac runs and drives well, though it could use a few minor fixes to be a daily driver. The car comes with several boxes of parts, making it an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts looking to complete their project or simply enjoy a classic ride. Despite being a 4-door, this Cadillac offers incredible value. Finding a classic like this at such a price is rare. It's perfect for fall-time cruising, and if you have kids, it's sure to be a fun and comfortable car for family outings. If you are interested, check the description for more information.
Number 8.
1965 Dodge Dart GT. Price, $8,000. Get behind the wheel of a classic American muscle with this 1965 Dodge Dart GT, priced at $8,000, with 106,126 miles on the odometer. This Dart combines timeless style with modern enhancements, making it a standout choice for classic car enthusiasts. Under the hood, you'll find a robust 225 six-cylinder engine equipped with an Offenhauser aluminum intake manifold and a dual carburetor setup. This car is equipped with an A8 33 4-speed manual transmission for a thrilling driving experience and power steering for smooth handling. Recent upgrades include new suspension bushings, new radiator, water pump, fuel pump, and motor mounts, ensuring reliable performance. Classic Krager wheels complete the look, adding a touch of vintage style. This Dart GT is not only fun to drive, but also attracts attention wherever it goes. Full info in description.
Number 9.
1972 VW Super Beetle. Price $7,000. Step back in time with this classic 1970 VW Super Beetle, a vibrant orange gem that's ready to roll for just $7,000. Located in Albany, OR, this classic car is a true standout and perfect for anyone who loves vintage style with modern reliability. Under the hood, you'll find a 1,600cc engine that's been rebuilt twice, ensuring dependable performance. Since purchasing it in 2021, we've invested in new brakes, a fresh carpet kit, a new battery, and side panels. The wheels have been powder-coated black for a sleek look, and the pans are in excellent shape. While the car shows some rust on the hood and back driver side by the brake light, and a few minor blemishes, just like many of us in our 50s, this Beetle still runs pretty well and provides a fun driving experience. It has character and charm, perfect for cruising around town or weekend adventures. We are open to cash offers and are also considering trades for a low-mileage sedan, like a Camry, or a working four-door classic. For full info, check description.
Number 10.
1965 Ford Ranchero. Price $10,000. Discover the classic appeal of this 1965 Ford Ranchero, now available for $10,000. With 100,000 miles and a powerful 289 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this iconic ride combines performance with timeless style. This Ranchero stands out as a true survivor, retaining its classic charm while delivering a smooth and exhilarating driving experience. It's not just a car, it's a statement piece that turns heads wherever it goes. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or just looking for a vehicle that stands out, this Ranchero is ready to deliver. Check the description for all the information. Don't miss out. Like, share, and follow for more fantastic classic car deals.
Number 11.
1965 Ford Falcon. Price $9,500. This vintage gem boasts a brand new engine built by Engine House, featuring roller rockers and a healthy cam. It's never been started, offering you a fresh start with a powerful 289 engine. The Falcon is equipped with new BF Goodrich radial tires and classic 5-spoke Krager wheels, adding a stylish touch to its classic look. The C4 automatic transmission ensures smooth shifting, making this car ready for a thrilling drive once it's up and running. While the car is close to running, it's currently in a bind and needs to go. This is a fantastic project for enthusiasts looking to complete a classic build. If you're interested, contact us today. Thanks for considering this classic Ford Falcon.
Number 12.
1966 Ford Galaxy 500. Price $15,000. Experience classic American automotive style with this stunning 1966 Ford Galaxy 500 convertible, offered at $15,000. This iconic car features the original 390 V8 engine, delivering powerful performance paired with a Hurst for on-the-floor manual transmission and a custom exhaust for that perfect roar. With only 93,000 miles on the clock, this Galaxy is in excellent condition. Its eye-catching red exterior is complemented by stylish black cloth bench seats, making it a true head-turner on the road. It runs and drives exceptionally well, providing an exhilarating driving experience. While it's a tough decision to let this beauty go, a strong suggestion from my wife means it's time for a new owner. Don't miss your chance to own this fun and classic ride.
Number 13.
1964 Chrysler 300, price $5,000, located in Renton, WA. This vintage beauty offers style and substance, perfect for car enthusiasts and collectors. This Chrysler 300 runs and drives well, featuring timeless design and performance. With minimal attention required to carburetor adjustments, this car is ready to hit the road and turn heads. The vehicle is in overall good condition, offering a solid foundation for those looking to enjoy classic driving or embark on a restoration project. Its powerful engine and classic lines make it a standout choice for any collection. If you're interested in owning a classic piece of automotive history, don't miss this opportunity. Check description. Contact seller today for more details. Act fast, hot deals on classic cars like this won't last long.
Number 14.
1966 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price $16,500. Get ready to own a classic American icon with this 1966 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $16,500, with just 12,345 miles. This vintage beauty combines style and performance, making it a standout addition to any collection. This Bel Air is equipped with a powerful 350 SBC engine featuring a mild cam, headers, and a dual-flow master exhaust system for that classic rumble. It's paired with a turbo 350 transmission and AB and MZ gate shifter, ensuring smooth and engaging driving. The car also includes an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor and an electric fuel pump for reliable performance. The interior has been newly updated, providing a fresh and comfortable driving experience. All essential features, including lights, turn signals, brake lights, and windshield wipers, are in working order. The car also comes with air conditioning for added comfort. The exterior is a striking gold color, with a straight, solid body. While it runs and drives well, the front suspension needs repair and new tires. This car is available with a clean title and current labels.
Number 15.
1960 from Mercury Cyclone. Price $15,000. Own a piece of automotive history with this rare 1960 from Mercury Cyclone. Now available for $18,500. This classic muscle car is a real gem that's becoming increasingly hard to find. It features a built small block Ford SBF engine paired with a 4-speed top-loader transmission and a 9 inches Posey rear end for thrilling performance. The Cyclone is fitted with 215, 60/15 and 295 of 50/15 tires on Krager wheels, measuring 7x15 and 10x15, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The exterior is a striking red, while the interior is finished in sleek black, offering a classic and bold look. This car comes with a clean title and represents a fantastic project opportunity. It needs some TLC to finish, but it's a great start for any enthusiast looking to restore a classic muscle car to its former glory.